Well, my name is Begonia O'Brien, and I sort of inherited Dr. Dervish. I have been coming to this office for many, many years with another dentist. So I had my choice. When Dr. Dervish came in, I could have said, well, no, my dentist was, Dr. Sullivan, and I don't know you, and I'm going to look for a dentist. So, but I gave it a trial, and I liked him. He was a low pressure. He was very, very calm. Dr. D is a very relaxed, very calm person. I could, talk to him on a personal level, and so I have total confidence in him. I have just had a root canal. I think he was very, very efficient, very competent, and at the same time very relaxed, like I said, and I felt very good about it. So I'm going to keep on coming to Dr. D because of all those things. Because he is good, he is very competent, he is low pressure. I know there are some things that maybe other dentists would say, oh no, you need that, you have to have that done, when I know that is not exactly the case. It can wait, and Dr. D is okay with that. So that's what I think about him.